And welcome to the ETF Edge portion of Halftime Report. I'm Bob Pisani, coming to you from the Exchange ETF Conference here in glorious Miami Beach, Florida. 2,000 investment professionals gathered to hash out the latest investment trends. Let's talk to one of the organizers, Tom Lydon from ETF Trends, along with Michael Sonnenschein. He's the CEO of Grayscale Investments. First, Tom, you have said it's good times and it's tough times for the ETF industry. Money continues to flow in. But the advisors, you're telling me, very worried, particularly about bond funds. What are they worried about, Tom?
Well, that's it. It's all about inflation, rising interest rates, Bob. They're not concerned about stocks and volatility as much. They're concerned about the fixed income portion. Many are moving from 60-40 to 70-30 or even 80-20. There's a huge decline in the fixed income area, and it's not slowing down. That's what we're talking about at this conference. That's one of the key important discussions.
And we're going to be talking about what kind of solutions there are out there. But the other hot topic here is crypto. The big Bitcoin conference ended here on Sunday, and some people attending that have stuck around for the ETF conference. Now, Michael Sonnenschein runs Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. This is the first publicly quoted security solely invested in the price of Bitcoin. Michael, you've got an application in front of the SEC to convert this Grayscale Bitcoin Trust of yours to an ETF, a pure play ETF. The SEC has until early July to respond to your application. They've denied everything, all previous pure play Bitcoin ETFs. You said you might want to sue if they don't approve your application. Why and on what legal grounds would you have to sue them?
Well, listen, the Grayscale team has never wavered in its commitment to converting GBTC to an ETF. 8 years ago, that's directly the way that we structured this product. And if we zoom back out over time, regulators and the SEC in particular has really evolved their thinking around the asset class and how to give investors access to it. We had the first futures ETFs approved last year, a huge milestone for the industry. And then as recently as last week, the approval of the first Bitcoin futures ETF registered under the 33 Act. And so as we approach this July deadline, we're working proactively with the SEC and regulators more broadly. There are over 800,000 accounts in the U.S., all 50 states represented, that own GBTC. They've been very patient, and so for Grayscale, all options are on the table.
But very quickly, the argument seems to be, well, they approved the Bitcoin futures, therefore they have to approve a pure play. Well, what's the linkage necessarily there? Is that the basis of your argument?
Well, certainly when a regulator is looking at two like issues, so a Bitcoin futures ETF and a Bitcoin spot ETF, and they have concerns over that underlying market, it's important that they look at those two issues through the same lens.
Okay, much more now coming up with Tom and Michael up on ETF Edge. That's 1 p.m. Eastern time, including what the speakers at the conference are telling Tom and the advisors to do with the bond funds. That's the critical story. And joining Michael, Matt Hogan, Chief Investment Officer of Bitwise Asset Management, on where crypto ETF investing is heading in 2022. Plus, Brendan Ahern, CIO, Crane Shares on China in 2022. Is it really an uninvestable product at this point? ETFedge.cnbc.com. Halftime back right after this.